Baby, come back. Okay, we are actually recording now, guys. We can have sing offs another day. What's wrong, mate? They're at the front. Probably ask that. You want to join in the video today, Les? We are live recording.
We're live.
Yes.
Hello.
You right?
Yeah, we're in.
I am about to replace that C-type charge port.
Good.
Yeah. So you can't get these. Normally we would replace this whole unit, and so normally we replace these whole units. That is out of a T595 Samsung tablet. Normally you'd replace that whole piece, but you can't get this whole piece in Australia currently.
Yeah, we're able to get it for order.
So we have to replace just that little piece in there.
It's good, though. Customer gets customer happy with it.
So first we're going to check out the replacement part and make sure it's the correct one, and do all that correct procedure kind of stuff. I said these ones are a little bit tough. They're much like a S10 Note 10 series charge port. Well, you can't actually see the pins, so it's a whole lot of guesswork as to whether it's actually connecting or not, which makes it really tough. You can see in there, definitely destroyed. Goes down, nice and square. This side here is broken off. You can see the pins flapping around there. So it definitely has to be replaced. So for these, I do like to use my little vise. Just a little bit so you can see what's going on. Should be able to see that. Probably around the wrong way. This way. We've got something to grab onto, There's the whole thing changes colour. Can you see that up there? Yeah, see it changing colour? That's it getting hot. I want the whole thing to be nice and hot. Don't pull it. If you pull it, you'll actually pull the pads off. And then you're going to have a really bad day. Don't want to do that, so I'm going to heat it long enough that all this solder around here gets really soft. See, it's starting to soften up now. Not soft yet. There she goes. A bit softer. Just like that. All the pads stay behind, so you don't have to run traces or anything like that. So now we're going to make sure we get rid of all that high temp solder so that we can make our job easier. I'll turn in this light a little bit. Might be a bit better for you. Do this stuff. Let's get rid of all that old solder. The old solder is like probably 225 or I think it's 215 actually is the melting temperature. So you want to bring that down so it's easier to do your job. Nice fluffy little pillows. All that stuff. Just gonna take some of that back out of there.
How's it going? Good. I'll be right back. You too. I had a computer here at Dell. Dell. What name was it under? Oh, yeah, it's okay.
So that's the other one. We don't want to do that one. Yes, now what we're going to do now is anybody who's experienced in watching this will understand that it's a lot harder to get solder to take to gold, steel, I guess you'd call it, gold metal, um, before you've tinned it. So we're gonna tin it and put a little bit of solder on there, which again will just make our job easier. Yeah. And we go a bit of this stuff, stick it on there like that. It doesn't really matter if you get it in there. It cleans out pretty easy as long as you don't overheat it and let it dry. If you overheat it, if you cook it and then let it dry, it's really hard to get out. Like it goes like toffee almost, you know. So I'm just gonna put a bit of fresh solder on there. Should be able to get it. This might be too fine. Won't take too long doing that one. So joining two pre-soldered surfaces together is a whole lot easier than two surfaces that aren't pre-soldered. Now I'm just gonna turn my light back up. Right, we need to heat that back up. It'll change its colour when it's ready to go. May not fit. Alright, let's go. Right. Burn my finger. Just make sure that see those holes there and I get see that isn't that there? Those holes on the right hand side. They are you need to fill them. See the left hand side ones, they're nice and full solder so they're not going to fall out and tear your pads. So these ones on this side actually need to be filled. I'll do that real quick. Probably use a small one. Good. These, they are soldered, they're pretty good. I don't really need any more. Pretty good extra there, so. Alright. It's pretty good. It won't fall out. Nice and strong. Yeah, so that's how I overcome not being able to source these whole boards for the T595 charge ports. It's not quite sitting in enough there. You see that? That's better. Sitting nice and flat. So we'll get that back in the unit now and test it and get it back to the customer. Live in town on Monday, so have to get that one through and done. We are getting a bit busier again, guys. So those B2B jobs, instead of being same day, they are maybe a couple of days now. Um, most of the phone screens and all that sort of stuff are all day repairs, computers, 24 to 48 hours still. So yeah, keep them coming. Thanks very much for your support. Like, subscribe, share, comment. If you see something you like, let us know. If you see something you don't like, let us know. All feedback is good feedback. Appreciate the time. Thanks, guys.